Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, get ready to step back in time with the ultimate costume inspired by a beloved classic movie. This is the best League of Their Own costume available, and it's a must-have for any fan of the film or anyone looking for an iconic and high-quality costume. Let's dive in. The Women's Baseball League Dottie costume Rockford Peach's jersey dress uniform set is not just any costume. It's a tribute to the iconic Rockford Peaches from the classic movie A League of Their Own. This costume brings the spirit of the All-American Girls Professional Baseball League right into your wardrobe. Crafted with attention to detail and made from high-quality materials, this costume is sure to impress. Now, let's talk details. This costume set comes complete with everything you need to transform into your favorite baseball player from the Rockford Peaches. You'll receive the jersey dress, socks, belt, and even a baseball cap to complete the look. The attention to detail is impeccable, with the team logo proudly displayed, just like in the movie. One of the standout features of this costume is its authenticity. It's not just a generic baseball costume. It's specifically designed to resemble the uniforms worn by the Rockford Peaches in the movie. The jersey dress is made from durable and comfortable polyester fabric, ensuring that you'll not only look the part but feel great while wearing it. Worried about finding the right size? Don't be. This costume set comes in a range of sizes to ensure the perfect fit for everyone. Just be sure to check the size chart provided by the seller to find your ideal size. Whether you're petite or tall, there's a size option that will suit you perfectly. Taking care of your costume is easy too. Simply hand wash it in cold water and line dry for best results. Remember, this costume is not just for Halloween. It's perfect for dress-up parties, themed birthday celebrations, cosplay conventions, or even just showing off your love for the movie. So, there you have it. The Women's Baseball League Dottie costume Rockford Peach's jersey dress uniform set is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to channel their inner Rockford Peach. With its attention to detail, authentic design, and comfortable fit, it's no wonder this costume is a top pick. Get yours today and step onto the field in style. That's all for today's product critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy shopping!